A big magazine called Forbes published a study that said XRP didn't have any use in the financial world. Since then, the market value of XRP has grown by almost 5 times. Forbes called XRP and Ripple zombie projects in a story that came out 8 months ago in March. The study had a lot of bad things to say about both cryptocurrencies. The study mostly looked at cryptocurrency companies worth $1 billion or more, especially since Bitcoin has recently started to recover. On the other hand, XRP and Ripple were chosen to be looked at in more detail. While researching Ripple's history, Forbes tried to discredit the company and its currency XRP by pointing out that its original goal was to create a global financial standard that would change the way banks do business by making money transfers quick and cheap. It is said that Ripple's leaders made 100 billion XRP coins and sold them for $1.4 billion to pay for their big goals. This statement is wrong, according to the report. The study also talked about the common belief that Ripple could one day be better than SWIFT, which handles more than $5 trillion in daily interbank payments. The study looked at this point of view. On the other hand, Forbes said that Ripple hasn't made much progress toward this goal, even though the company was still running limited pilot projects with central banks more than 10 years ago. Following this line of thought, the newspaper criticized Ripple for not reaching its main goals and called it a crypto zombie. XRP was still worth several billion dollars on the market, minus $36 billion at the time, making it the 6th most valuable cryptocurrency. Forbes says this was the case even though Ripple had some problems. Forbes also said that the high amount of XRP that was traded every day, more than $2 billion, was likely due to gambling rather than any real-world use. It's important to note that Forbes has added the zombie and good-for-nothing labels to other blockchain projects. At least 50 cryptocurrency platforms worth more than $1 billion were found in the study, and 20 of them were labeled as useful zombies, even though Forbes published harsh criticism of these crypto assets in an effort to draw the attention of buyers around the world away from them. Even more investors became interested in these projects. After a report from Forbes, when this piece came out, the price of XRP went through the roof. The value of XRP on the market was $36 billion, and it was worth about $0.60. Even after just a few months, its value had dropped by almost $37 billion. What about XRP? It has made an amazing comeback today, and people are still talking about it in the market. One cryptocurrency, XRP, has seen its market value rise by more than $120 billion since Forbes published its story. This item's price has gone up by 450 times in the last 30 days, reaching $2.86. Furthermore, it is worth mentioning that the prices of 19 more tokens that Forbes criticized in the study have also gone up significantly since then. Many people have said bad things about Forbes because of this amazing turn of events, but their negative stories haven't stopped the token's progress. It's important to remember that other industry analysts like Jim Cramer have also been laughed at by people in the cryptocurrency community. However, the market keeps growing despite the harsh abuse they've gotten. Cramer called XRP a giant con asset in January of the previous year, but it went up 40% after that. Taking into account the present price, XRP's worth has grown by nearly 9 times since Cramer's review. Remember that yesterday XRP hit a high of $2.90, which was just above the psychological $3 level of support. It lost 7.91 points at the end of the day, though, because it couldn't keep up its pace. Recently, the price of XRP went back up to $2.60. It is now stuck in a small range between $2.40 and $2.60. Because of this time of consolidation, the order books for XRP have been looked at, especially on Binance and Ethereum. Dom, a trader and market analyst, recently gave a report on these order books. He pointed out buy and sell barriers that could affect the price of XRP in the coming days. The data shows that there are still 50 million XRP sell walls on Binance and Coinbase. Binance Spot has 34 million XRP sell walls that are priced between $2.80 and $3.50 each. In addition, Coinbase Spot shows that there are 16 million XRP sell walls with prices that are the same. These walls have a total of 50 million sales between them. The huge number of sell walls that are currently in place is one of the things that could stop the price of XRP from going above $3. Also, the sale walls already show that people in the market expect pushback as XRP gets closer to $3 and beyond. This is the move that could send it to its all-time high of $331. Keep this in mind. XRP buy walls help the market stay stable. Binance has 10 million XRP purchase walls that range from $1.90 to $2.30, and Coinbase has 4.3 million XRP purchase walls that range from $1.90 to $2.30. When you add up all of these buy walls, you get 14.3 million, which will remain strong if the price falls even more. Even though there was a drop recently, these buy orders show that people are still wanting to buy XRP. There are people who want to buy XRP at cheaper prices, and those people are planning to do so. If the price drops to around $1.90 to $2.30, since XRP has been volatile lately, things are now slowing down. However, Dom believes that the ongoing consolidation may be good. His attention was drawn to the fact that setting a steady price range between $2.40 and $2.60 can be beneficial, creating a stronger base for future price increases. Still, the expert warns that there would have to be constant buying pressure to break through the $3 barrier. Because the sell walls are so big, XRP needs a lot of market activity to get past the problems that are in its way. The introduction of martial law in South Korea affects the consolidation of it is important to note. That Dom has already said that the political situation in South Korea is also a factor in why the price of XRP has stopped rising. This is on top of the big sell walls we talked about above. During the time that the country was under martial rule, XRP ran into its first problem. But shockingly, it has shown persistence. According to Dome, a well-known South Korean exchange has traded as much XRP as Binance or even more so in the past week. This is more proof that South Korean traders have been very important to the current rise of XRP, even though the new martial law has limited trading on this market. The expert thinks that XRP might have already gone over $3 if this disruption hadn't happened. For your knowledge, the price of XRP has gone up by $4.45 since this morning and is now $2.62 at the time of this writing. While the market has been rising, XRP has been one of the best performers. To give you an idea, XRP gained $283 at the end of November, which was the most in a single month in 7 years. In addition, it reached and soared above the $2 mark. Market experts like Agrag say that bulls who hold XRP below $2 are likely to be able to withstand big drops in value. This is because XRP is starting the month of December on a positive note.